So I have some good news for you, I have some great news for you, and I have some sad news for you. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and it is time to wrap up the month and the year of our 2024 Crafty Goals. We have been showing you every month what our goals are and whether or not we've been able to attain our goals. So I'm going to show you real quick what I succeeded in doing for December, what I succeeded in doing for the year, what I didn't do, and what's coming up. So I'm going to show you real quick some things that I did for December. I smashed a bunch of paper. First of all, I had this great Brutus Monroe paper pad, and I made some Christmas cards out of it. It is a winter theme pad, believe it or not. And yeah, I made some Christmas cards. I think this is a lawn fawn Santa, and I colored him to match that. I did something similar to this last year, so I don't remember if I showed you, but I smashed this. And what's exciting about today is, now that I'm telling you that I smashed it, I can either recycle or reuse or throw out all of these that I've been keeping for the month. Another thing that I have used is I picked up the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Fresh Snow collection. Man, I love this collection. This was beautiful. Love the colors, love the imagery. It was fun to do. I did sell a couple things in my Etsy shop already because it seemed to be a popular thing. I still have a couple more, but I smashed this completely, so I can get rid of all of that. You know, I didn't think I did that much, but I guess I did. A couple of months ago, I made some graduation mini albums, and my sister-in-law needed them for a friend. So there is a video on my channel on the graduation. I know it's a weird time of year to show you that, but she wanted to get them for Christmas. So I picked up over Black Friday these collections. So I guess I got 3 of these, and I finished 4 of these. I just smashed them. Made as many as I could, and I am done with graduation. Yay! You ever pick up the Echo Part Cartabella mystery boxes and get this transatlantic travel in it? So I know some people, Carolina, I'm talking to you, it just doesn't work for them. And so I sort of challenged myself. I had a couple of days in between projects, and I pulled it out and I said, okay, what can I do with it? And I made a project sort of mixed media, and I also did make a travel album. So I'll link that and show you what I made. So that is another paper pad that I have smashed. I also smashed this Simple Stories Simple Card Kit. I did not make cards with it. I made little notebooks out of it. There's a video on that. It just was fun, and it was a quick project, and I was happy to get it out of my stash. In the beginning of last year, I made this album, actually, the Crafty Goals album. And I actually, with Graphic 45, they have a challenge every month, and they randomly pick the winner, and I won for January, so I got to purchase for a prize pack some more. So I picked up another 8x8 collection and made another mini album, and I loved the cover of that one. So I smashed another 8x8 Graphic 45 collection. Yay! And then finally, I don't know where the cover sheet is for this Snow Much Fun, but I picked up a couple of the paper pads. I think it was, again, Black Friday that I purchased them. I picked up the Chit Chat, Odds and Ends, Icons, Sprinkles, this, which was a value assortment of Doodlebug Winter, which, you know, some of it went well with it. This had a lot more pink in it than the So Much Fun, but I made it work, and I made so many projects with that. I picked up 2 of each, of everything, and had a lot of fun. You will be seeing this, the different projects that I made, starting soon. to show you how you can use up a paper collection and all the different things you can do with it. And speaking of that, so let me tell you some sad news. So our crafty goals that we've been doing for, I guess, 4 years, we do it on the first of the month. We are not going to continue the Crafty Goals monthly collab. We are pivoting, and here's the good news, we're changing it into a Smash Your Collection monthly collab. So there are different people in the collab that every month we will have a prompt. So for January, for instance, the prompt is going to be 12 by 12 paper collection. You can use a collection, you can use a pad, you can use whatever you want. And so we are going to show you how we smash it, or if we smash it. We may not smash it, but we're certainly going to try. I'm going to show you what the collection is or what I have to go with the collection. And then every time I make something, I'll show you. And at the end of the month, I'll do a wrap up and show you all the different things you can make with a collection. So this month it is the 12 by 12. Next month, I think it's 6 by 6. But there is a list of prompts. So that is also coming out today. I'm going to link that up here so you can go check that out. So it is what our Crafty Goals is going to turn into. I know a lot of you have been following Crafty Goals, and it is sort of a Crafty Goals because we are planning on, our goal is to smash whatever the prompt is. We're just doing a little pivot. So let me tell you some other good news. So, you know, I keep track of the collections I had. This is what I started with. I guess I should have counted how many collections, but you know, it changes because I'll smash some, I'll purchase some, I'll get some with a design team. Every month I would take a little picture of the collection. See, I did this for just January last year too, and show you what I was able to smash every month. The good news is that all through 2024, I was able to smash 32 collections. That doesn't count single sheets or half-used collections, but those are collections that I used from beginning to scrap end till there was just teeny tiny scraps. So if you want to see everything, go back and look at the playlist of the 2024 Crafty Goals. You know, every month I planned what I was going to use. Some months I was able to do it, some months I wasn't. So for 2025, again, it'll be about smashing individual paper pads. I do have a tutorial for this, by the way, that is already on my channel. So if you have this, I used the 8x8 collection and was able to smash that pad. So the good news is that we're continuing. The great news is that I smashed a lot. The sad news is the Crafty Goals is not going to be for 2025. The fabulous news is in my stash. This is fabulous for me. You might not think it's fabulous. I have just 12 by 12 collections and just 12 small paper pads. So I do have some single sheets as well. But, you know, 4 years ago when I started this, my goal is to smash my stash. It's not completely smashed, but it's within reach. I am able to, if I don't purchase anything by the end of the year, I will be able to smash it. Of course, I will be purchasing things. So if I purchase something and also use a 12 by 12 and a small paper pad, I'll be able to get everything completely done by the end of the year. It doesn't mean to say that that's something you need to do. You don't have to use every single paper pad in your collection. As you may know, I live and travel and craft in my RV, and my storage space is small. So ever since we started traveling, going on 6 years now, I've wanted to use everything that I have just to reduce what I carry with me. So that is what I have for you for my final 2024 Crafty Goals video. Again, don't forget to look in the description box, and I'll put a link for the new collab, it will be called Paper Stash Smash. You are welcome to join along. Just use the hashtag if you have, if you post on social media, and others can see what you have smashed. And don't forget, check out that other video, and I'll tell you what 12 by 12 collection I'm going to smash through January, so I can show you what I have used by the February 1st video. So thank you again for following along. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a fabulous day.